Get ready with me as I prep for this order that I have to put out as soon as possible. I'm going to be wrapping my soaps, I'm going to be packing them, I'm going to be labeling them. Join me and chit chat. I'm also going to be talking about where I get some of my materials. Let's get started, you guys. Hello and good day, awesome people. My name is Natacia, and in today's video I have an order to fill. I'm going to show you me filling part of that order. I'm going to be wrapping the soap partially so you can see how I do that, and I'm going to be talking about where I get some of my items from, some of the logo items I have. But who has ever seen me do a soap cut in the first 40 seconds of the video? Are you guys ready for the soap cut? Alright, now hold on to your Battlestar Galactica. Wow, you guys, this soap looks like a galaxy. I feel like I see stars and planets and comets. Oh my. This soap actually came out nice. This is one of my masculine scented soaps. I did have an order for several of these. Now this customer was less concerned about design and more concerned about use, because he indicated that he uses this soap to wash his scalp because it's the main soap that he uses to prevent his scalp from flaking. I wasn't sure how this soap was going to come out because the original design that I had looks nothing like this. But at this point the customer just wanted his soap and I was ready to send it to him. Also, you guys, when this soap is beveled, oh my goodness, I'm telling you guys, when you be polishing up the soap, it just make it look like pure art and perfection. Some of these bars look like a galaxy, some of these bars look like a winter storm, like a meteorologist is pointing to one of those blue screens and showing a weather pattern, like a hurricane or a tornado. I think it shows interest, and we're going to start beveling to show how we're going to bring out the design. And the fragrance oil, you guys, I use the Perfect Man by Nature's Garden and Candles. Oh my goodness, you guys, that scent sells out all the time. It smells so good. It's like the perfect masculine scent. You have to try it if you have not tried it yet. Now it's time for cleanup on aisle 7. Clean up on aisle 7, please. Clean up on aisle 7. It's time to hurry the heck up and get this order out. Please hurry. I mean, come on. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. What are we doing? We making soap? What are we doing? Y'all playing games. Y'all playing games here. This soap looks phenomenal. It's ready. It's ready. Suit and tie ready. Dress shoes ready. Collar pulled up ready. Cologne, aftershave, hair shaped, breath smelling good, beard oil, that leather cologne scent, ready to go. It's ready. Look at that. Let's talk. Can we talk? Can we conversate? Can we talk? Those of you who like to stick around for the conversation, we need to talk. So I decided to make some changes to my soap making, my products making, and things like that. So number one, I am eliminating the single-use plastic from my packing materials. I'm done with it. It's not great for the environment. I mean, come on. How am I gonna sell an all-natural soap product or all-natural product and then I'm gonna pack it in plastic? That makes sense, and it make no daggone sense. So no more plastics for me as far as packing is concerned. We're gonna do paper, cardboard, but no plastic. Some of you are probably saying, I already do that. Okay, good for you. Good for you. Okay. Here we going with planing. Planing is just as good as beveling. You get that first layer off. It uncovers the next layer. Look at that. Pure hurricane up in the middle of that soap. Let's get packing and wrapping up in here. Let's get packing and wrapping. This tissue paper, as you can see, has my logo on it. I love it. It wasn't cheap, but guess what? It is free advertising in some sense. All my products are either wrapped or stuffed with this tissue paper. This company that made this tissue paper do mailer boxes, they do labels, they do food paper wrapping, they do packing tape, they do bags, they do tote bags, they do so much stuff with your logo on it. If you're interested in knowing any information about the company, let me know in the description box below. Let me know, or contact me in the community tab. Also, you guys, just so you know, I deleted my Twitter account because if you know why. You know why I deleted my Twitter. Okay, I ain't gotta tell you. You've been seeing what's going on. Daggone crazy behind owner. But I deleted my Twitter and I set up a BlueSky account. I'm gonna leave the information here and in the description box below. We can talk and conversate on that platform also. You can also send me your pictures of your soap. So I'll leave that information for you guys also. So let's get into this wrapping now. You know I look like I know what I'm doing, but believe me, I'm putting on a good front because I did not have a clue. I just pressed record and I'm like, I want it to look like a vest. What do I need to do to make this look like a vest? And I started going and I don't know, it just came to me. I don't know, the pressure was a lot of pressure. And I was running out of megabytes of availability on this card. But watch how I think I know what I'm doing. I'm all smoothing it out. I don't know what I was doing, but it came out cute. It came out cute. I just need to fine tune it so it be more consistent. But I like this way. It is more time consuming to have to physically wrap all the soaps, but I think it's more personable. I think the customers appreciate it. It shows that you put time and effort into it and you appreciate their business. So I don't mind it. It's very relaxing also and therapeutic for me to do this because sometimes you just need a minute to just take a break from certain things. And this is just very relaxing if you allow it to be. Now, who do you guys use to do your labels? I go to onlinelabels.com, and I also buy some of my labels from Staples. I like Staples labels because it tells you everything on how to print it. It has the printer number. Online Labels too is really good at customizing it. I mainly use the online labels for like my body butters and stuff because those are jars and I kind of want a certain type of size or design. But all of them, I have an online platform where I can put my logo, I can put colors, my design on it, and it's awesome to use. Now, I use other platforms also as far as design, but for the most part, if I want to just get quick labels, I'll get them from those sites. And if I want to design it, I might use Adobe, I might use Photoshop, I might use Canva. But there's so many platforms where you can design. But as far as the labels, I get them from Staples and I get it from Online Labels. Odd shaped items such as this Africa shaped soap can be a bit challenging, but I try to follow the contour of the continent to get the perfect wrap around it, because we wrap in Africa, okay? We gonna wrap Africa. Africa is gonna be nicely wrapped and presentable. So I really was surprised at how well I was able to figure out how to get this soap wrapped nicely. So prepping the box. Well, when I prep the box, of course, I measure the tissue paper. A lot of the stuff that I take when I actually pack out customer stuff, I didn't show in this. There's a lot more stuff that I do, but this is just one thing that I do. So I like to go ahead and get a nice scent and put it on the tissue paper, and then I like to line up the tissue paper so that it is neatly in the box. It looks professional, and I had to learn the trick on how to put the tissue paper in upside down, so when you fold the logo over, it's right side up, like the logo is facing the right direction. You'll see when I close the paper. And then I start to prep the box. Sometimes I have tissue, boiled up tissue that I put in there. This happens, I don't usually do this because this tissue paper is not cheap. But the reason why I use this tissue paper like that is because this ended up getting fragrance oil on it. And I didn't want it to waste, so I just fold it up so I can cushion the soap inside the box. I use this tape a lot to close my boxes. I also use this paper on the FedEx labels that I use on the outside so that wherever it's traveling and going, everybody sees my logo on it. What I didn't think to do, but I'll do next time, is put my website address on this tape. You have to wet the bottom of it. I usually take tissue paper and just wet it and then put it on top, but it's a great way to advertise your business without you being there. I mean, you're literally, the box is literally traveling and your logo is just right there. And I like to put a personal note inside to the customer, thanking them for their order, along with the postcard explaining the products and services. This is just a glimpse on how I prep my boxes for orders. If you like this kind of content, I can show you more behind the scenes. Let me know in the description box below. Please protect your skin and your beautiful energy, and I'll see you in the next one.